Plinth beam is an RCC beam provided at the junction of wall and its foundation. This prevents the propagation of cracks from foundation to the wall above and also spreads the wall load uniformly onto the foundation. The minimum grade of concrete for casting plinth beam shall be M20. In case of manual mixing of concrete, 10% extra cement shall be added to the mix. The beam should have a minimum depth of 200 mm and shall extend to the full width of the top course of the foundation. The plinth beam shall have a minimum 2 bars of 12 mm diameter at the bottom and 2 bars of 10 mm diameter at the top. The stirrups made with minimum 6 mm diameter rod shall be provided at a spacing of 150 mm. The shuttering for plinth beam shall be firmly held and secured in position before pouring the concrete. A cover of 25 mm is to be provided to the reinforcement and the concrete shall be well compacted. Plinth beam protects the masonry wall from cracks due to differential settlement of foundation. It is mandatory to provide plinth beams in earthquake-prone areas. Plinth beam is provided sufficiently above the natural ground level. Plinth beam prevents propagation of cracks from foundation to the walls in case of settlement of foundation. Plinth beam also transfers load from walls to the foundations evenly. Minimum grade of concrete for plinth beam shall be M20.